If you're an RVer on the go who loves to have a travel trailer easy to tow, I'd recommend checking out the Rockwood Geo Pro. Now, apologies for the rhyming, but the Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro is so efficiently built for the active RVer who may want to take it out a bit further than the campground. I mean, it's almost poetic. Within the Geo Pro line, you'll find floor plans from couple-centric rear baths to family-friendly bunkhouses to a toy hauler. Before I highlight a few floor plans, let's dive right inside to check out some of the Geo Pro features that you are sure to love. Inside a Geo Pro, you'll find some surprising features. For one, a lot of smaller travel trailers are going to limit the size of their AC unit if they even have one at all. Not the Geo Pro. With the Geo Pro, you'll get a 13.5 BTU AC to cool down quickly, plus a 20,000 BTU furnace to keep things toasty when necessary. For more comfort, the bedding is cozy and most have a full-size bed. Now, to make it dark for snoozing, Geo Pros come with roller shades. The kitchen is designed for efficiency as well. You'll find most will have a 12-volt fridge, microwave, and a recessed cooktop with flush mount cover. Let's not forget entertainment now. Even boondocking, you may want something other than nature for entertainment. Maybe. Every Geo Pro comes with an AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth and USB, plus a TV with DVD player. But what about reception? Yeah, what about reception? You'll get reception with a Teton all-in-one Wi-Fi booster prep and antenna. Most models will also have an outside speaker. The Geo Pro interior is designed for maximum efficiency, but the exterior is really where the Geo Pro stands out, with unheard of features for a small travel trailer. The majority will come with a 4-frame mounted stabilizer jacks, and all have a power tongue jack. Most small travel trailers will have a single 20-pound LP tank. The Geo Pro has 2. Plus, every Geo Pro has an outside griddle with LP hookup. How about an awning? Of course. And not only that, the majority of them are power. Now, for you boondockers, here's some exterior features of note. 15-inch Mud Rover radial tires, plus torsion axle, rubberized suspension to help you get to where you want to go. For a little peace of mind, once you're there, you'll have a tire pressure monitoring system, spare tire with carrier, plus extra juice with a roof-mounted solar panel, most of them being 190 watts with a 1,000 watt inverter. You'll also get an outside shower for quick cleanup. And not to be forgotten are the heated holding tanks when you're out, as well as the black tank flush when you're back. Because who wants to do that while they're out, right? For you serious boondockers, you may want to consider adding the optional second 190 watt roof solar panel and getting some gear racks like the Pro Rack mounting bars and the tongue mount bike rack. When you're looking for a versatile travel trailer that's ready for some boondocking, lightweight, solid construction is absolutely key. With the Geo Pro, you'll get a 6-sided aluminum cage construction and aluminum cage dinette bases and beds. The walls and roof are vacuum laminated to help prevent water damage and include interior and exterior Asdale construction. For the floor plans, as you've seen, there's quite a lot to the Rockwood Geo Pro regarding features and construction. Now, as far as weight and length, they will average a svelte 3,400 pounds in unloaded weight and 20 feet in length, and as such are towable by most SUVs and pretty much all trucks. Now, let's highlight some floor plans, starting with the ones designed for the camping couple. First off, the 12 SRK. This one is perfect for the couple who loves to get up and go, and make sure it's towable by a lot of cars as well. You'll find a cozy 74-inch gaucho bed inside and a very impressive kitchen accessible on the outside. The 19 FBS has a 72-inch sofa in a slide-out and a queen bed up front, so that one can sleep forward. To make room for a wardrobe closet, the fridge and microwave stand away from the rest of the kitchen. In the bathroom, there's a nice neo-angled shower. The 19FD creates interior walk-around space by having a Murphy bed up front. In the back, the bathroom comes with a nice sized linen closet as well as a tub. The 19FD can sleep 3. There are a few Geo Pro bunkhouse floor plans, but let's take a closer look at the 20BHS. A slide out pulls an impressive large 44-inch dinette. Up front, you get a full bed with an overhead shelf. In the back, you'll find stacked twin bunks and exterior access for bike storage. The 20BHS can sleep 5. For the final highlighted floor plan, let's take a look at the Geo Pro toy hauler, the 19FBTH. You'll get a full bed up front, a large flip-up seat in the back, and nearly 7 feet of garage space, perfect for bikes or maybe even a motorcycle. So there you have it. When it comes time to get serious about your active outdoor lifestyle, yet keep some of the creature comforts of home, check out the Forest River Geo Pro. With its versatility in camping as well as its floor plans, I'm sure you're going to find the right one for you, and happy camping.